a problem with mice getting into your prepping supplies? Hi, this is Belinda.
And I'm Wayne, and we're Normal Prepping. Today, obviously, we're going to go over a question that has been brought up. Yeah, rodents. It was brought up by one of our followers. She is at Kittles More 2, aka we call her the cat friend because her little icon is a cat. Hello.
Hello.
We're finally doing the video you've been asking for. And of course, this video is a problem that I think most preppers have had, and if you haven't, it might happen to you sometime. So we're going to help you figure out and work with you and show you how to keep your food supplies safe.
From rodents.
From rodents.
Yes.
The first thing you want to do is set up traps, and you can choose whatever. I'm not going to go into traps. Whatever trap you like, and I recommend put them inside your areas that you're going to have your storage. Also, if you can, put them around outside your house. Yeah. Because that'll really, you know,
deter them.
Yeah, you want to start fresh. And some people, they keep them in all the time. They always have traps. Myself, I know I'll probably hurt myself, so I don't. And if I ever see any evidence, of course, I will.
Then put them out.
And then another thing that we have a problem at our house is, because it's an older house, are holes. We have this one hole that she was trying to get me to fill for how long?
How long we've been here?
Yeah. And it's like your stereotypical mouse house hole.
Yeah, it's from cable running through the house.
Yeah, from the old days. They bored a little.
Just make a hole.
And so we covered it up, but she's been on me for covering that, for filling it. And that's one of the first things you want to do is do as I say and not as I do, and fill the holes. Make sure if you have any cracks, any way of an animal or a little creature can get in, and they can get in pretty small. I've heard almost a little bit bigger than a pencil. Some of the mice can get in. Yeah, they're small. Mm-hmm. So you want that. And the next one is yours.
Peppermint essential oils. This works great. Rodents and bugs hate the smell of it. And what I do is around our pantry, on the inside, I sprinkle some of this on there every couple months. Any kind of essential oil will work as long as it's peppermint scent. Yeah, rodents hate this stuff. Put it on the corner of your pantry on the floor. Sprinkle it around on a shelf. Wherever you have supplies that you don't want rodents or insects to get to, use peppermint essential oils.
Yep, and another thing that we do is we also buy trash bags that are scented with peppermint. And that's to keep the rodents away from our trash. Outside. Well, it's inside too, because we have it inside. Yeah. And then we put it outside, of course, in the bin. It'll keep the rodents away. Because we do anything you can to keep these little buggers away from you. Yeah. So now we'll go over the containers.
We have 3 basic containers that will help that you can store your food in to keep the rodents out. I had an idea when I was shopping at the store with my friend, and I saw this and I thought, hey, that would be great storage for my bags, my pasta, my rice, anything that is not in a can that rodents can easily break through. So I thought, this is great. I mean, it's a perfect height. One thing I like about it, it has wheels. You see, I can move it around. I can keep this in my pantry, which I have one in my pantry along with this one. And I can keep it in the closet, and I can roll it out if I need it. It's easy for me. If I were just single by myself, I could handle this all day long. I can leave it in a bedroom in the corner. Accessible in a laundry room. This is very convenient. It seals shut. And as I said, sprinkle some peppermint oil around the bottom. Sprinkle some inside. It's not going to hurt any of your food. This is great storage for items to keep your rats away. And I'm going to show you the items that I have in here. You lift this up. See, I have items in bags. I have my pasta. I have a huge bag of rice down here. I like to make my own top ramen, but until I get to it, my pasta's right here. I have potato spuds. I have boxes of cereal down here. And it's all pretty accessible. I mean, you do have to move around a little to get to your food, but hey, it's secure. So this is one great item. When I saw this, I had an aha moment in the store because I thought this would be great. And as I said, very easy to handle. very easy to roll around and move from room to room if you need to. Now another option for you is something like this. A tub with the lids that you can keep closed at all times. It's pretty durable. I think a rat would have a hard time getting through it, and not only that, there's no smells coming from it. So they won't be tempted to break in here and find out what's in it. This is another really good option for you for storage for your dry items. Okay, the next item I have is a storage tub, similar to the other one, but different. This is longer, sleeker, and it fits under your bed. It has these little tires on here for sliding in and out under your bed, under maybe your couch if you have a high couch. If you have a table you want to slide this under, or behind. This would work great for that. And then something that's also nifty on this, you take off the little latch and it lifts halfway. So you could put items, fill this up and open it on either side, either the right side or the left side. Makes it really easy to get to your items. It's very, very convenient, and it will do the job of keeping the rodents out of your food supply. Okay, so those are our 3 storage ideas that we came up with to keep your food storage safe from rodents, insects, or whatever might come by. So I want to say thank you very much to our cat friend for your suggestion. So if you have any suggestions, any things that you use that helps you keep your items protected, let us know in the comments and maybe we'll do a video on that. So we really appreciate you watching our videos, giving us suggestions, and thank you for watching.